Hello student, in this video we will take example number 4 in our book with the name Utilities and Setup. In this lesson we will talk about file compression. What's file compression? Here it says the file compression is a way that we reduce the size of the file and folder. So if we have a file or folder with a big size, we can make it less by doing compression. So how to compress file in a folder and how I can remove this compression. Let's see. Look guys, here I have unit 2, this file. The size of this file is 409 kilobyte. Do you see it? Now how I do compression to make it less? I right click on this file. You have these are the options of compression. I'll just click number 1 here. He will give you many options. I'll just keep them as they are and I click what? OK. Do you see? Now I have the same name here, but this one is what? Is the same as this file, but it's compressed. Now let's see the size. Do you see? The size of compressed file is 378 and the original file is 409. Do you see? This one is less than that one. So this is the meaning of compression. How you remove compression? You just here right click. Let's see, I'll choose right click and you have here extract. Extract, it means to remove the compression. I'll just click extract here. I'll tell it yes to all. You see, now it is removed the compression and the file is here. So how we can open the compression? Just double click. You will see it's here. Inside it is what? Unit 2 file. So I'll give you example. I will delete this original one. Delete. Now I don't have unit 2, right? Now when you remove compression here, extract, it will put the file here. Do you see? This is the uncompressed file. So we remove the compression. Next, we will talk about antivirus. Antivirus, they are programs in your computers that protect viruses. So what's viruses? It's a computer program that destroy your data or it will make problems with your computer. How about antiviruses? How they are moved to your computer, these viruses? They said we have many ways. One way is to through the internet. Another way is through flash disk or CDs or anything that you can plug it with your computer. Like maybe we call it memory card. These are the ways that viruses are moved to your computer. Now, why antiviruses needs to be updated? So they said if you have antivirus, it's not enough. You have to have it updated. They said because new viruses are produced every day. So when you keep it up to date, the antiviruses, it will detect or it will find the new viruses around the world. If you don't update it, maybe the new viruses will be in your computer and the antivirus will not find them because he doesn't know about them. It's an old one. This is the benefit of update. So how we use antivirus? Actually we have many types of antiviruses. Just I will show you one example here. My antivirus is what is called ESET here, and I will show you how to use it. Maybe you have different antiviruses and actually they look like the same. So I'll minimize. I'll go back here, working files. Let's see, I want to check this folder for viruses. You have to right click on it and here we have, look, check with ESET. I'll click it. Here it will open now. Just wait. Do you see? It is completed the check and he found nothing. The threads that found it are nothing. So this is how we check. Let's try with something bigger so you can see it when it works. You right click, here reset. Do you see? Now it start what searching for viruses. Do you see here it says that it found one? So maybe because this folder is very big, D, with a lot of files and folders, it will take a long time. Do you see? Until now it found 4. So you can stop it here and continue. They will tell you, do you want to clean it? I'll say yes. Next, after we study about antiviruses, how we scan specific drivers or folders. I told you how to check it. How to scan specific files. The same like here. Sorry. Here, working files. You can check this is a folder. You can do it from here. Or if it is file like this one, you right click from the same place. How drivers, these ones we call them drivers, like C and D and E, we call them drivers. So when you check them the same way, right click and you click here reset. And usually when you check or plug in your flash disk, you will be here, it will be here, the flash disk icon like this one. So before you open it, you have to check it for viruses. So you will do the same. You will right click on it and you will click this one and it will be cleaned from viruses. After we finish with this one, let's talk about setup. Setup, it means how you show this window. This is the window of the basic system information. So one way is to go to control panel and then you go to system and security and then you click system. So here, start menu, control panel as it says, and then system and security. Here, system and security, and then it says what? System. So where is system? Here. So this is the properties of your computer. It will say this, that your program or operating system is Windows 7 Ultimate. You have this type of processor, Core i5, with 6 GB RAM and other specifications. So this is the basic information of your computer. How we change the desktop configuration, like if you want to change the picture in the background of your computer, you just need to right click. I'll minimize these windows. Here you just right click in any empty place and you go to personalize, and here you have many options of backgrounds. You can choose any one you want. For example, I'll choose this. Do you see? Now the backgrounds will be changed. Just it needs time. You can also change the colors. I don't know why it takes too long. Okay, so this is, I choose the United States. Do you see this icon shapes? You can change their colors from here. Let's see, you want them here the blue or red or any color. Just we have to wait until it opens. So this is the background of the here of my computer. You can change the color of these ones here from window color. Let's see, I want this here. Do you see the transparent here? You want it pink, you click, you see, now it's pink. Or you want it orange, you see how it changes to orange or red. You see, and you can, the intensity you can change it, make it less or more. I'll save the changes. So this is how we change the background. And here we have the screensaver. What's the meaning of screensaver? Screensaver is the screen that shows when you leave your computer without touching it for like 1 minute or 2 minutes, what will happen. I'll click screensaver. Here it says nothing will happen. You can change it. I'll make it like bubbles. Do you see how the bubbles, see, like these ones, do you see them? How long you have to wait? It says 1 minute. I'll click OK. Now if your computer is not touched for 1 minute, it will show those bubbles. So let's try to wait for a minute and then you will see it. I don't know what's happening in my computer, but you can check it with your computers. So now we learned how to check the background, change the background. We said from here, background, or you can choose from here. For more options, you can check desktop background, and here all the pictures. You can set more than one picture and they will change automatically. Or you can choose from here, browse, and you choose the picture that you want from your computer, and then you check them. You tell them how long you need them to change. Do you see here it tells like every 30 minutes it will change a picture. Okay, so I'll just cancel it. After we learned how to do it and how to do the screensaver, here how to change the display display setting. You can go to control panel here, appearance and personalization, and then you check what display. So here personalization, here we have display. You see here it will maximize the window. Do you see the windows are here small? This will make them big. So when you click apply, it tells that you have to log off. No, I just don't want to log off. I'll just remove it. So this is one way. This is how to change the display setting. Another way is to change the resolution. Like here, you see the icons here are small, so you can make them big by changing the resolution. How? You right click in any here in the desktop, in any empty place, and you check the screen resolution. Here the perfect resolution for my computer is this one 1366 by 768. If we make it here 800 by 600, it will make it very big icons. The icons will be very big, but I don't want them to be big, so I'll keep it as it is. You can try them, guys. You can make them less, but if yours is not to the highest, maybe it's here, don't make it higher. Just try them down or the same place. Okay, and then you click okay. This is how we change the resolution. How we change date and time. You can change date and time from here, from control panel. Here we have control panel. Here we have what? Clock and languages. Here we have date and time. You can change date and time from here. Now it's Tuesday. My time is set, but you can change it a little bit if you want, yours. So here you can just click and you change from here up and down, change the hour, minute and second, and here you can click the date, and then you click OK. Okay, so this is how we change time and date. The sounds effect, the same. From here, control panel. Here we have hardware and sounds. Here we have sounds. So you will have the options. You see here are the speakers that plugged. It will say like your default speaker is this. Recording, the microphone. Do you see? This is my voice going up and down. This is the microphone I am using now. The other sounds and many settings. How we change the language in your keyboard. Actually we have Shift and Alt in your keyboard, you can click them, but if you have here, do you see English? You have EN, English, and here Arabic. If you don't have Arabic or you don't have English here, you have only one language, you can go to where? From here, control panel, you go to clock, language and region, and here region and language. Do you see it? You will go to keyboard and you choose what? Change keyboard. You see now I have compute English and Arabic. If you don't have these two languages and you want to add English or Arabic, you have to click from here what? Add. You search for the language you want. Let's see, I want like German. You click this plus, and this plus you have to click one of these and you click OK. This is how the language is added, or the keyboard language. I'll just cancel it because I have the language that I want. So this is the last slide for us. Thank you for watching.